Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Disney Plus membership, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Disney Plus membership, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Disney Plus website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account from the options in the menu. On the account page, locate the subscriptions section. Here, you'll see details about your current subscription plan. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to proceed with the cancellation process. You will be guided through a few prompts to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. After confirming, you will receive a confirmation message regarding your cancellation. Log out of your account if you're finished. If you're using a mobile device, the steps are similar. Open the Disney Plus app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Account from the list of options. Scroll down to find the subscription section. Tap on Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen prompts. Ensure you receive a confirmation message for your records. That's it. Your Disney Plus membership is now canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.